In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize diagrams in Confluence with draw.io. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want to add and display your diagram. Make sure you're in the page editor so you can insert new content exactly where you need it. This is helpful if you already know the section of the page where the diagram should appear, such as under a process description, a project overview, or technical documentation. Once you're in the editor, click in the area where you want the diagram to go, then type /draw.io to open the insert suggestions. From the list, select draw.io diagram. A pop-up window will appear, and at this point it's important to give it a moment to fully load before doing anything else. When the pop-up is ready, you'll have a few options. You can start from scratch by choosing a blank diagram, or you can save time by selecting a template. The template categories appear on the left side, and there's also a search bar there if you want to quickly find a layout that matches your use case. For this example, choose a template, then click Create. Next, wait for the draw.io editor to load. Once it opens, you can begin customizing the template. On the left panel, you'll find shapes and connectors that you can drag and drop directly onto the canvas. If you want to edit an existing object, click to select it. You'll then see resize handles for changing its size, a rotate handle near the top for adjusting its angle, and connector arrows on the sides for linking it to other shapes. You can also click and drag selected objects to reposition them, or press delete on your keyboard if you want to remove something. If you need to change text, double-click the text area, then either replace it directly or highlight the existing text and type your new content. On the right side of the editor, you'll see formatting options organized into sections like Style, Text, and Arrange. These are useful for refining the look of your diagram and keeping everything clear and consistent. When you're happy with the result, click Publish in the top right corner. You'll see a loading indicator with a saving message underneath it. Wait for that process to finish, since it can take a little time depending on the diagram. After that, the diagram will appear on your Confluence page. Once it's added, you can review how it looks directly on the page. If you want to make changes, click the diagram and use the floating toolbar to edit it, adjust its alignment or width, or delete it. You can also reposition it by hovering over the ellipses and dragging it into place, and that's it.